Okay, guys, let's get started. So, anyone can share your screen, like Rahul, if you can share your screen.
Sure, sir. I'm sharing.
Who should share the screen?
I'm sharing.
Rahul is sharing his screen. Oh, you are building a new machine already?
Yeah, yes, one of machine is already created.
No, no. I don't want you to set up the machine because we
Okay.
have to choose some options. Okay, let's do one thing. And Yong, can you share your screen?
Okay,
Yes, share your
I
screen.
can I can share my screen.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Am I pronouncing your name properly, And Yong?
Yes, yeah, you are pronouncing it properly.
Okay,
Let me
thank you.
just try to let me get something here. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay, okay.
Now, guys, do you have two monitors, And Yong, or only
Yes,
one monitor?
I do have to.
Two monitors. Okay, good. Now,
Yes.
what about others? Most of you guys, I think you will have one monitor. So, in case if you are not able to follow along, because watching and performing at the same time, it will be little difficult. So you can join this meeting on mobile as well, so that you can watch it on mobile and do the same thing on computer. Okay, you can download Teams application on your mobile or tab and then watch it on the mobile and do the same thing on your laptop. Okay, understood? Now I
Yes.
don't want anyone to um, absent the classes, guys. You don't have to miss any classes. Okay, so anyone who is missing the class, you have to inform me before. So you have to make sure you attend class daily. No excuse, please. Otherwise, you will be left behind. Now, so we have downloaded two files, Windows 10, ISO media, and VirtualBox. Now, why we have downloaded these two files? First one is the Windows 10 file, which will help us to create Windows 10 operating system. Second one is the VirtualBox that will help us to create virtual machine in our laptop, because we will be managing that Windows 10 machine from Intune. We will enroll that device to Intune, and then from Intune portal, we will be deploying the policies. Okay. Now, let's double click on VirtualBox, the second one. Everyone, you need to install this application on your computer. Go next, and install.
I want
Yes,
it to be installed on let me see.
1 minute.
On,
Hello, sir. Can you perform this lab on VM virtual VM box also? Hello.
Yes, go ahead. First of all, wait a minute. Before you proceed further, let's search system information on your computer. At the left hand side, there is a search box. Yes, search system information. We would like to see the device information. So you have Windows 11 Pro
Yes.
Insider Preview. Interesting.
Sorry
Uh,
to interrupt, Kashif. Seems like the letters are very teeny. Better to perform on laptop screen so that everyone can see very clearly.
Which is tiny?
The letters, like whatever the operations are performing, and like screen are letters are very
Actually,
teeny.
you need to zoom a little bit. Actually, it's very small. The
Okay.
characters actually we are.
No, actually, when you do something on monitor, na, like bigger screen, when you are presenting, it looks teeny. But if you share
Okay.
your screen over the laptop, it looks fine.
Oh, okay. So it's very tiny to you guys, right? Anyone who is using laptop with one monitor without any extra monitor? Hmm?
Yes, I am using a laptop.
Have you downloaded these two applications?
Yes, I have downloaded.
Okay. Share your screen.
Okay.
So I'm getting this Oracle VM needs Microsoft Visual C.
Okay, 1 minute. I will let you know what you have to do. Sharif, you have one monitor or two monitors?
Two.
Okay, I want somebody who has just one monitor to share the screen.
Kashif, I'm sharing
I
screen.
have.
Share your screen, anyone.
Yeah, I've shared the screen.
Okay. Is the screen okay to you guys? Are you able to see the screen properly, everyone?
Yes, Kashif, now it
Yes.
seems fine.
Yes.
It's better? Okay, let's get started then. Now, I want you to go to the system information, everyone.
Should I
System,
perform also, Kashif?
yes, system information. Now, you have Windows 11 Pro operating system, then processor, 8 logical processor. You see the processor? Click on processor. Hmm. That's the processor. You have 4 core processor and 8 logical processor. Now go down. You have installed physical memory. So 16 GB RAM. Okay, so that is enough. You got 16 gigabyte of memory. Now we would like to see the hard disk size. How much space you have in C drive and D drive and all. So let's go to a folder and go to this PC. This PC. So on C drive, you have 50 gigabyte and in D drive, you have 201 gigabyte free space. So both of them are SSD.
Yes.
Okay. So you can create your virtual machine in E drive because C drive does not have ample amount of space. It has
Yes.
only 50 gigabytes. So better to create your virtual machine in E drive. Guys, so you have to find out how much space is there in C drive and D drive, and accordingly you need to choose the drive during virtual machine creation. Now let's go to the location where you have downloaded Oracle VirtualBox file.
Hey, Kasif,
Actually,
we just have one drive, C drive only. I have like 400 gigs. I
That's
can do it
okay.
on C
Yeah,
drive, right?
that's okay. Yeah, you can do it on C drive. Yes,
actually,
if
I
you
have
don't have E
downloaded.
drive.
Kashif, I have downloaded this in a software directory separately. These three files,
Okay, good.
and I have created one directory for blank directory for VirtualBox.
Okay, fine, no worries. Now, so let's go to the folder where you downloaded Oracle VirtualBox. Now, we need to install this application, which will help us to create virtual machine. So let's double click on that one, VirtualBox. Next, next. Yeah, let's go next, next and install.
What about the virtual C? Yeah, I'm getting there.
Okay, so if you are getting, if anyone is getting Visual C++ missing prerequisite, you need
Yes.
to download that one. So I'll show you how you can download that application. So Gagan, you go to Google Chrome browser and go to google.com. So those who are facing Visual C++ missing prerequisite issues, you need to go to Google and type in download Visual C++. Download Visual C++. Enter. So you need to click on the first one, latest supported Visual C++. Okay, scroll down. Wait, here you have option to download the 64-bit. This link, yes, 64-bit. So click on that and install, and don't restart the machine. It will ask you to restart. Don't restart, just download it. Download and install that one.
Should I need to download also?
No, you
Or
don't
it's
have to do it because
yeah,
it's
because
already
already
installed in your
yeah,
computer.
yeah.
So it's only for them.
Okay.
It's only for those people who are facing the prerequisite issues. Clear, Sharif and others?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
It will ask you to restart your machine, but don't restart after the installation. So once you install C++, then you go back and install Oracle VirtualBox. Okay. Now Oracle VirtualBox is installed. Is it installed for everyone, or is it still pending? And Yong, have you installed it?
Yes, it's installed.
Okay, good.
No, I'm still getting that virtual CC plus error.
Have you
You
installed
have restart?
Visual C++?
Yes. Just installed it.
Okay, now try again Oracle VirtualBox.
No, I'm getting the same error.
Share
Should I
your
restart
screen.
it?
Restart and join this meeting again.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so I want everyone to launch this application, Oracle VirtualBox application. Let's click on finish. It will get launched. Okay, so this is the screen wherein you will be able to create your virtual machine. So you have to create Windows 10 virtual machine. Okay, so how will you create Windows 10 virtual machine? So first of all, um, you have to create a folder where your virtual machine will be created, either in C drive or D drive, based on the space you have. So Gagan, you have a D
I have
drive.
already created one folder for like
Now
in the E drive.
let's go to, okay, let's go to the drive and create a folder here.
New.
Yes, create a new folder. So you can create the folder in C drive or D drive based on your space availability.
Yeah.
So now the folder name will start with WIN VM001. Keep everything capital. Okay.
Okay.
WIN means Windows, VM means virtual machine 001. This is our first virtual machine. Okay. Now
Yes.
let's go back to the Oracle VirtualBox Manager. Now here we need to click on new on the top. And here you need to type in the name WIN VM 001. Okay, that is going to be our first virtual machine. The name is WIN VM 001. Now the folder, where will you store this machine? So we have to go to the folder where we have created that folder. Choose the location of that folder. I think it's in
Karthik, same error.
E drive. Sorry.
I'm getting the same error.
Share your screen, Sharif. Wait a minute, guys. Just hold on. Sharif, you share your screen. Did you share?
Yep.
Give me control. Wait. Where is that?
Yes, let me get it here.
Do you have two monitors or one monitor?
Two, you want me to disconnect one monitor?
No. Not needed, but I want you to put it on this screen.
Yeah, this is okay. Yeah, do you see this?
No.
Oh, you see now?
Where is the installer?
Oh, no,
Oracle
sorry.
VirtualBox.
Yeah, there. You see it?
I see there is no monitor to display.
Oh, do you see it now?
Share the screen again. I don't see anything now.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Do you see I'm sharing it now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Wait.
Did I install?
Give me control. Okay, wait. I don't know what happened. Can you go back to the folder?
Yeah.
Double click on V redistributable, the first app, the
Oh,
first
this
one.
one?
Yes.
Repair or what are you going to do?
You
Uninstall.
no, you downloaded the old one. That's the problem. Go back to the website
Did I
again.
uninstall this?
Yes, you can uninstall that. Go back to the website.
Mm-hmm.
Download Visual C++. Yes.
First one, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Wait a minute. Wait.
The 64.
Just go up a little bit. Go latest, go up a little bit. Up, all the way up. Click on this visual. Yeah, the first one. Now click on the 64-bit. Yes. Install this. Yeah, this is the latest one.
And don't reboot, right?
No, you don't have to restart. Now install Oracle VirtualBox.
Okay, should work now.
Gagan, you share your screen again.
Okay, Kashif, sharing.
Okay, I'm stopping. Okay.
Okay.
Kashif, are you hearing me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Now, so we have to install, I mean, we have to create a new virtual machine. So let's go back to Oracle VirtualBox Manager. Now here we have to give the name WINVM001. Now the location where the folder, the one which we just created, we have to choose the folder location. Then we have ISO image file. We don't have to give any ISO image file. Don't give any ISO. Then type Microsoft Windows. Make sure you have Microsoft Windows and the version Windows 10 Pro, Windows 10 64-bit. Okay. So let's go next. Now, how much memory you would like to give it to this machine? So let's give 4 gigabyte. So 4 gigabyte is 4096. Type in 4097 there. One more, 1 MB more than 4 gigabyte. 4096 is 4 gigabyte, but we are giving 4097. Okay. Now, how much processor you would like to give it to this machine? Let's give 2 core processor. Okay. So 4 GB RAM and 2 processor. Next. Now 50 gigabyte is the space. Let's give 60 gigabyte, 60. Everyone, make sure you give 60 gigabyte. Okay. Or you can increase that to 80 gigabyte. That is also okay. But 60 is minimum requirement. Next. Finish. Okay. Now wait. You need to make some changes to this machine. Okay. So in order to make the changes, you need to click on setting on the top. Now we need to have, we need to go to system. Now here you need to select the TPM which says none. Click on the drop down and choose V 2.0 version 2.0 TPM. Why we are choosing TPM? What is TPM? TPM is TPM is a chip which will help us to enable the BitLocker on the machine. Without TPM, you cannot enable BitLocker. So TPM version 2.0, and then we need to select enable EFI. Select that one. Enable EFI, and then enable secure boot. Okay, guys, match the screen. We have chosen 2.0 TPM, enable EFI and enable secure boot. Okay. Now click on OK. Now we need to connect the ISO image file, the one which we downloaded, the Windows 10 ISO image file. So we need to go to the storage second option, the SATA port 1 option. Below you have a storage section. Under storage you have two SATA port 0 and SATA port 1. So SATA port 1 is empty. So let's click on that empty SATA port 1 and choose a disk file. And choose your ISO image file which you downloaded in your download folder or wherever you have downloaded. You need to choose that Windows 10 ISO. Is everyone on the same page?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
I already installed the VirtualBox, but they're not showing enable the TPM.
Yes, because you haven't done that. You need to
Yes,
delete virtual machine and create again a new one.
virtual machine. Okay.
Yes.
Hey, Kasi, I'm behind now because you didn't wait for me.
Which screen you are at?
I create, where open, where I have to create a, do I create a VDI virtual box this tonight?
Okay. 1 minute. I will come back to you, Sharif. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's power on this machine. And when you power on, you need to, it is here, click on start on the top. You have a start option on the top. Start. When you start, you will get a pop-up. I mean, you will get a new screen. You need to click inside the screen. Make sure you click inside the screen and press any key quickly. Otherwise, it will. Yeah, there is a screen. Yeah, click inside the black window. Cancel, cancel, cancel. Now click inside and press any key. There you go. Very good. Cancel. Okay, so you have this screen to start building up your virtual machine. Okay, you need to click on next, install now. Now it is asking for activation key, right? So click on I do not have a product key. Now here you need to choose Windows 10 Pro. Make sure you choose Windows 10 Pro, everyone. Windows 10 Pro. Next. Accept the license terms and condition. Next. And choose the second option, custom. Next. Now, Sharif, you share your screen.
So,
So we are building a test machine, and that machine will be enrolled to Intune. We will be deploying policies and application and everything on this new machine. We don't want to deploy anything on our laptop. Cancel this, Sharif.
Okay.
Now, first of all, you have to create a folder. Give me control, Sharif. Go to Teams app. Yeah. Okay, wait. So first of all, I would like to see how much space you have. Okay. System information. Yes, system information. Windows 11 Pro, you have 4-core processor. I mean 2-core processor, 4 logical processor, 16 GB RAM, good. And you have C drive only. Okay, so fine. You need to click on new on the top, right? And here you need to type in the name of the machine, WINVM001. That's the machine name. Okay, we will go with the default option because you are doing it in C drive. So default location, Microsoft Windows and my Windows 10 64-bit. Next, we'll give 4 GB. So 4097. And here we will give 2-core processor. Okay, next. And we will give 60 GB hard disk. And then next and finish. Okay, so the machine is now added here. We have to make some changes to this machine setting and come back to the system here. We need to enable the TPM version 2.0, enable EFI, enable secure boot, and OK. Now we have empty. Let me add the disk file which you downloaded. Where have you downloaded the disk file? I think this is the one.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Now power on. When we power on this machine, click on this start on the top. It's going to open a new window. Wait a minute. Okay, so we have to click inside this window.
So in real world, are we going to do all this also if we are working?
No, no. Real world people will get laptops, right? We
Okay.
don't have a new laptop, so we are creating a new virtual machine. So instead of a laptop, we have a new virtual machine where we will be enrolling that machine and we will be doing all our testings.
Kashif,
Yes.
sorry. Are we
No,
are we giving 2 cores processor or we giving 4?
2.
Okay.
Kasif, the folder directory what we are going to give is the folder which we created, or it has to be on specific like C users, or if I selected a E
If
drive.
you are creating the virtual machine in C drive, go with the default option. If you are creating it in D drive or E drive, then create a folder.
Yeah, the created folder only we have to select, or we have to select any other folder. Like we
No,
have
that
created.
folder. That folder, the one which you created.
Okay.
So Kasif, I'm confused. You said in the real world we'll have a laptop, right?
Use
So we don't need
all
to do
user
virtual
will get a
machine.
all user will get a laptop. Or some users will also have virtual machines, right? Now,
Yeah.
suppose you have like 10,000 employees in your real world environment. So you will have to give 10,000 laptops to them so that you can enroll their machines and manage their machines through Intune. Now, it's not
Yeah.
possible for you to get another laptop, right? Everyone will have to purchase a new laptop. So instead of
Yeah.
creating a new laptop, we are creating a virtual machine.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it.
Hi, Kashif.
Yes. Hi.
Please, where do I load my ISO image?
Share your screen, Salome.
Did I stop sharing mine?
Yes. One minute. Let me take a look. Click on settings. Salome on the top. Click on system. Okay, good. Cancel. SATA port 1, the storage section. You have a section called storage. Inside that, you have SATA port 1. And then in front of SATA port 1, you have empty. No, don't go there. Don't go there. Cancel. Now you have empty there below. Click on empty and um, choose a disk file. Where have you downloaded your Windows 10 ISO image file? Is that the first one?
Yes.
When did you download? Last month?
Oh,
Yes.
Okay. Start. Start. And then when the window will come, the black window, it will ask you to press any key. So you need to click inside and then press any key quickly. Yeah, there you go. Click on that and wait a minute. Cancel. Yeah, press any key. Yeah, press any key. Click inside first. Okay, good. Anyone left behind?
Yes, I'm sir.
Which screen you are at?
Yeah, I'm deleted the previous VM machines
So you know how to
because
create a new machine, right? So you create a new
yeah,
machine, but make sure you choose TPM version 2.0 and enable secure boot and enable EFI. You can do it.
but TPM option is not showing me. Create the new machine first.
TPM option is not showing. Hmm?
Yes, not showing.
Okay. Wait. I will
Hard
come
disk.
back to you.
So what if
Sorry. Any question?
what if we did not click the uh, how to change the screen resolution if we missed it out?
The virtual machine screen resolution?
Yes, yes.
We can do it later on. We will have to install Oracle VirtualBox driver on the virtual machine. Then we will be able to modify the screen resolution.
Okay, sure.
Salome, you there?
Yes, Kashif. I'm not sure what's happening here.
Stuck? Okay. Rahul, you share your screen in the meantime. Rahul?
Yes, I'm sharing, sir.
Okay.
I'm here.
Click on new. Name of the machine. WIN VM001. No, wait. I said WIN VM001. You typed in Windows.
WIM
N for November. WIN VM001. Now
Okay.
below you have the location. So C drive, you are choosing C drive, ISO.
Yes.
Okay, Windows, Microsoft. Now unattended install. Expand that one, unattended install.
And then install.
Unattended hardware.
Yeah.
I mean hardware, sorry, hardware.
Okay.
Give 4 GB 4097.
4 GB.
4097. Type in 409. Delete that and type 4097. 4097.
4097.
Below you have one CPU, change it to 2 CPU. Now
Okay.
hard disk, below you have hard disk, expand that one. Give 60 GB, 60. Click on finish below. Click on
Hey,
finish.
Kasif,
Wait.
Yes.
Now
Setting.
you click on setting, yes. Click on system. TPM none, change it to 2.0. Enable EFI. Below you have enable EFI. Enable secure boot. And click OK. And start.
Kasif, we have to select custom, right? Custom install Windows only.
Custom. Cancel.
ISO file.
Oh yes, ISO file we have not given. Cancel that one. Sorry, we missed to give the ISO file. Cancel this. Close this. Power off. Power off. Click OK. Why this screen is coming like this? You click on the 3 dots. Wait, click on the 3 dots at the left hand side. You have 3 dots.
Where? Yeah, this one.
Yeah. And choose the detail, the first one. Okay. Now you have SATA port 1 empty. SATA port 1
Where?
empty. Yes, under storage, you have SATA port 1 empty.
Storage. SATA position empty.
Click on that. Choose a disk file and choose your Windows 10 ISO image file which you downloaded. Is that the one which you downloaded? I
Yeah.
don't
Yeah.
think so.
Yeah.
Huh?
This is one. Yes. Yes.
You downloaded the enterprise one. Why?
Two.
You did not download the Pro one?
Yeah. I download.
Sorry? You downloaded the enterprise one.
Sir, I yesterday download Pro also. To
Okay, fine. Choose the enterprise one then. I don't
can
know
start.
why you downloaded enterprise one. Okay, start. Press any key. Yeah. Salome, are you still on that screen or did it pass through?
I'm following up. Okay.
Sorry?
I'm on the same page.
Okay. Click on next. Install now. Accept the license terms and condition. Next. Choose the custom. Yeah, somebody was asking which option do we choose? Custom. Yes, choose custom. Next.
Format.
Next. Don't touch anything. Next. Okay. Anyone left behind? Salome, are you on the same page?
I don't. I'm on the same page.
Okay, the machine is getting ready.
So I choose. I don't have the product key, so I'm about to choose
Okay, share your screen,
Windows
Salome.
Windows 10 Pro.
Windows 10 Pro, right?
Next.
Mm-hmm. Then what do you see?
It's a little bit slow. That's my problem. I have to accept the license.
Yeah. Accept the
Yeah.
license terms and condition.
Then custom.
Custom,
And
yes.
next. Mhm. I'm copying the window files. It's installing Windows.
Okay, good. Now, anyone left behind?
I'm still
No one?
installing it, the virtual machine. Does it
Sorry?
take a long time? Does it take a long time for the machine to install? The Windows.
How much percentage it is showing?
Okay, just asking you for the keyword and all right now. So I guess it's almost done.
Okay, share your screen, Sharif.
Sure.
Okay, so now we have some important setup. So the machine is almost ready. We have to take the snapshot of the machine, guys. Okay. I will let you know when you have to take the snapshot. So in production environment, users will get a laptop, a brand new laptop, or they will get a virtual machine like this, the one which we are creating. So here, getting a new laptop, it's not possible. So rather what we are doing, we are creating a new virtual machine so that we can enroll that virtual machine into Intune portal, and then we can manage those, manage the devices through Intune. Okay.
So if we had a new laptop, we won't be doing all these steps, right?
We will not be doing all these steps. So the laptop, we will just power on that machine, and the machine will be, it will ask you to enter the email address and password.
Okay.
Okay. And then user will receive the email address and password from the IT team. The Intune administrator will provide username and password to the employees, and they will log in with their username and password.
So the administrator will be using something web-based, right?
Sorry?
The administrator will use something web-based, or what will he be using to push all this?
He will be using Microsoft Intune to push all the policies and application and everything, which I will show you later on. Okay.
Okay, we haven't come there. Okay.
So we are preparing a new laptop, as if we are preparing a new laptop, and then once the laptop is ready, we will give it to the user. Okay.
Got it.
Now here it is asking how would you like to set up. So we will choose a setup for an organization. We are not using this personal, we are using it for organization. Next. Very good. So when user, wait a minute, this is the screen where user need to sign in with his username and password. But we haven't created any user account, right? We will create user account and then we will sign in. with that particular user account. So let's assume that this is a new laptop. You know, when you power on a new laptop, then the laptop screen will be like this. User will get the screen like this, sign in with Microsoft account. Okay, and user will log in with his email address and password for the first time. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Now let's take a snapshot of this machine. So how will you take the snapshot? So on the Oracle VirtualBox Manager, click on the three dots and choose a snapshot. And click on take. And type in blank machine. You know, this is going to be a blank machine snapshot where nothing is installed. It's just a plain operating system is there without any application, without any configuration, without any policies. The machine is completely blank. Okay, it just has operating system. Click on OK. It's taking the snapshot at the right hand side. You see the progress, 23% completed. Okay, the snapshot is done. Now go back to the machine. The machine. Minimize this screen. Minimize. Yeah, this is the machine. So as if this is a new laptop. Let's assume that it's a new laptop and user will log in to this machine. First time user will have to log in, and then it will start setting up the user account and everything here. So everyone on the same page or anyone left behind?
I'm still installing Windows.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm running. My machine is completing installation.
Okay, so make sure you guys choose enterprise use option, and then when you come to this screen, take a snapshot. Okay, make sure you take the snapshot when you reach to this screen, guys. Okay.
Okay.
Anyone has any issues? Rahul, what is your status?
So still processing. Now
Okay.
we have some important setup to do.
Okay, almost there. Anyone left behind? I mean, anyone who did not create the virtual machine yet? Nobody? Everyone created your Intune account?
Yes, I have.
Okay, my
Yes, we did it. We did it. We created it.
Okay, good. So tomorrow we will create user accounts in Intune portal, and then we will sign into this laptop. I mean, this virtual machine. Okay. So that we will be doing tomorrow. You can power off this machine. You can click on close and then power off when you have taken the snapshot. Don't power off now, those who have not completed in the snapshot process. So after you take the snapshot, you can simply power off this machine. Right click on the Windows 10 Right click. And then choose power, stop, choose stop, power off. Check the box and power off. Okay. Okay, guys, we'll meet tomorrow. Any question before we wrap it up?
Kashif,
Yes.
before you go,
Hmm.
I was having a question. Now
Yes.
you talked about SCCM
Mm-hmm.
now getting to a point whereby it will not be able to manage mobile devices and kind of things and so on. Okay, I wanted to find out with Intune, has Intune now the capability to do bare metal deployment?
No.
Okay, so if in case it comes to the point whereby there's going to be a bare metal deployment when an environment is being managed by Intune, how then do we
Then
how then do we bridge this gap?
then you will have to have MDT as a free application from Microsoft. So using MDT, you can deploy bare metal operating system to the devices which are like bare metal, which does not have any operating system. You can push operating system using MDT, or if your environment already has SCCM, you can use SCCM. Okay, and then once the machine receives the operating system, you can use Intune to deploy the policies and configuration and everything. Is that
Okay,
clear?
that's correct.
So
Yeah, I
people
just wanted to.
now I'll tell you, in SCCM world, what was happening, people were consuming a lot of time in order to deploy images to the device, and we had more issues. You deploy image, plus you deploy drivers, plus you deploy all the important updates, everything during the imaging process. That was consuming a lot of time, and issues were coming in order to install the drivers. Drivers were, every model will have a different driver. Got it? So in order to come out of this situation, what people are doing in production environment, they are purchasing new laptop. Put yourself on mute, guys. Okay, so they are purchasing new laptop with pre-installed operating system. That operating system, like a vanilla operating system, it will not have any other configuration. It will not have anything. It will just have operating system. Just like we created virtual machine, it just have operating system. It does not have anything else. And on that, we will be deploying. We will enrolling those devices to Intune to deploy the configuration and policies and other important stuffs. Okay.
Yeah, that's great. It's
Any other
okay.
question?
There's going to be a lot of questions as we go
Yeah.
ahead.
Yes.
Yeah,
I'm sure. Yeah.
because I was I was I was thinking, but why would they be the issue of different sort of drivers when we know when normally companies when they're buying computers they will definitely want to order computers from the same manufacturer with those computers come with the same system properties as requirement and the same design and kind of things and so on. The only thing that
Yes.
differs
Yes.
the only difference there is that they do have different serial number, but everything is the same.
Everything
The
is
model
same. Right.
kind of
Right.
thing. And then they will definitely be able to now, if once the computer comes like that, they can now be able to package a driver, because a driver that can be able to install all the computers and at the same time so that
You
we avoid the instance whereby we'll have to have different sort of drivers. So why are company not able to do that so that we have a
no.
one package that we know this package is for driver that can install all the computers?
You are right. Okay, so a driver, I'm not saying it is not doable, but it was giving issues, it was time consuming to fix the issues. Sometimes driver is failing, sometimes driver is getting installed. Now you are saying all the computers are same, same hardware, same, everything is same, only the serial number is different. That's
That's
right.
correct.
But what will happen after a couple of years? For example, I have Lenovo 440 today. Tomorrow, Lenovo is not manufacturing that device. They are giving us Lenovo 450, for example, new version. They will have new set of drivers. Got it? So every time we have to be updated. Every time you have to create driver package in SCCM. Okay, so you have to keep yourself up to date according to the models you have in your organization. Suppose you have three models: Lenovo 440, Lenovo 450, and Lenovo 460, or Dell 100, for example. So you have, every time the moment the company is purchasing new set of laptops, you will also need to package drivers. So
That's correct.
instead of doing all these, you know um, extra activities, what we have is Windows Autopilot in Intune, wherein you take a pre-installed operating system on the devices. Okay, it will have all the drivers, and it will have uh, Windows operating system on them. What you do, you just configure it through Windows Autopilot. You don't have to re-image the machine. Is that clear?
Yeah, that's clear. But in a situation whereby a system
The
crash,
situation comes, yeah, if
yeah,
that
a system
if
crash, maybe probably a virus actually
mm,
now tempered with the hard drive where, and then the where the bootable files are stored,
understood.
and
Uh-huh.
it happens to crash a couple of computers that will require them to be re-imaged, or maybe probably bare metal or deployment to go on them.
So,
So
so there are two options. Either you go with MDT, like automate the operating system deployment on the systems which are crashed, or you can use USB to build a new, I mean, you put a new operating system on that machine where the machine is crashed, right? You put USB and build a new machine. I mean, build a new operating system on that machine, and then enroll through Intune.
okay,
Okay.
that's correct.
Okay, guys, we'll meet tomorrow. Everyone, I want you to be regular. No absentees, please. Okay,
Thank you.
Yeah,
we'll meet
thank you,
tomorrow,
Vash.
guys. Bye now. Bye,
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.